All right, we got the 1967. Welcome back, everybody, to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we've got a beautiful 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle. Blue with a little blue flames there. Black leather interior. 4-speed manual. And just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous car. Drives excellent. Interior is beautiful. Let's take a peek in here real quick to check out the interior. We're about to take her for a ride here in a second.
It is a true SS2 mark.
True SS. 389 under the hood. Go ahead and open up the trunk real quick. Or I'm sorry, 396 under the hood. I apologize for that. Trunk is wonderful condition. Got the mats in here as well, the jacks. Horn works there. Have Al start her up.
Wow, hard to find a car nicer than this, man, I gotta tell you.
Really love the color.
Dash, original interior. A true 138. Drives, shifts, idles. All the gauges work. This is the real McCoy. Ooh, have to work about that.
Got a little
Watch that driveway, Hammer.
Yeah.
I don't know how you could find anything smoother than that.
Right. Very, very smooth.
What I'll do, Mark, I'll get her around the corner here, shift her through the gears again, and then we'll run her next door and put her up on the hoist so that they can see what this thing looks like underneath, because the bottom is as impressive or more impressive than the top.
Awesome. Let's do it.
Yep. Speedometer worked, which is kind of nice. Old time, old school.
Yeah.
Detroit muscle right here, baby.
Love it. All right, let's go for another hoist.
All right, let's get up in the air.